friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and it is Monday, so it's time for Make and Knit Monday. So if you want to learn how to knit, grab some needles and some yarn and join me for Making It Monday.
Hey guys, Sarah here. I just wanted to stop back in real quick and show you this nice pretty stitch I've been working on. It's sort of a combination of a few of the other stitches that I have been doing on my channel. Don't really have a name for this one, but I think it's kind of pretty. As you can see, it creates these really pretty chain stitches up the work. You need to cast on a multiple of 6 stitches plus 3 for this pattern. And go ahead and grab your hooks, or your needles rather, sorry, and some yarn, and let's get started. So as I said, you need to cast on a multiple of 6 plus 3. So that just means if you're new to knitting, all that means is you're just going to cast on in sets of 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, however many sets you need to make your project as wide as you want. And when you've done that, add 3 more stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and just work off the swatch here I started. And it's just a 1-row repeat, so once you get a few of these steps down, it's really easy. So the first thing you're going to do is knit the first 3. And now for a pattern, you're going to yarn over, so bring your work or your yarn counterclockwise around your right hand needle, slip your next stitch, and knit your next 2 together. Now do be careful because these stitches kind of lay crisscross over each other so it looks like 1 stitch, so don't go in here thinking you're getting 2 because you'll actually get 3 that way. So sometimes you have to kind of spread your yarn apart a little bit, but those are 2 stitches, so we're going to knit those together. And we're going to repeat that. So knit 3, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, slip your next stitch, and you knit your next 2 together. And then you will knit your last 3. And I like to slip my last stitch with my working yarn in front. You don't have to do that, but when you do, you'll see you get these nice pretty chains up your sides. And it just makes it look straighter, I think. But if you want to go ahead and just knit your last stitch, you go ahead and do that. So I'll show you guys again. You're going to start your pattern by knitting 3. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together. Knit 3, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together. And then we're down to our last 3, so you're going to knit those stitches. And that's it, guys. Really simple, easy, 1-row repeat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. And we will see you guys next week for another Making It Monday.